set, go. Karan? Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jennifer Castro. Today, I will be give for 40 questions because pre-pasto for the 60 items sa 25K. Tungan ka po ka mga purok una, purok dos, purok des. Today, I will be for reviewing for pasto pagtapos kay time. Okay, ready for pasto? Okay, your timer starts now. I'll give you 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay. Umaga o gabi?
Umaga!
Chinchin, tawanan ng kulitan.
Tawanan.
Princess, Facebook o TikTok? Kahoy o semento?
Kahoy. Ay, siminto. Siminto.
City life or province life?
Province life.
Pulis o bombero?
Pulis.
Aso o pusa?
Aso.
Lala, sampagita o rosas?
Sapagita.
Ikaw, maaraw o gabi? Chinchin, diameter, centimeter?
Diameter.
Lala, tatakbo or lalakad?
Lalakad.
ABS-CBN or GMA?
GMA.
English or Filipino?
Yay!
Masaya o malungkot?
Masaya.
Martin Rivera or Vivian Velasquez? Kung hayop ka, ano ka? Example lang, kunyari.
Kuliyo. Bird. Bird. Ang ano?
Ikaw, Chen.
Ducky. Ayaw.
Favorite hobbies? Ano favorite?
Ako na. Sumayaw. Sumayaw. Kumanta.
Next, favorite cartoons?
Abay ka dyan, ha?
Okay. 5 spelling words to answer. Spell, apple. Ikaw.
Ako ba? A-P-P-L-E.
Lala, spelling. Spell, wait lang. People.
P-E-O-P-L-E. Ikaw ha? Kailangan.
P, ano spelling? People. Ano lang, P dapat. Okay lang lang. Sige, ang Chinchen spelling for star. Star! Ang layo sa langit.
S-T-A-R.
Good. Okay. Novi spell ang ano to? Ang sky. Sky. J rin na clue na.
S-T-Y.
Okay. Okay. Uli beses ka maging masaya.
Palagi.
Okay.
Ngayon.
Okay. Uli beses ka magala.
Ngayon.
Uli beses ka magsayo sa school.
Minsan.
Kung haharap ka sa mga santos, ano suotin mo? Kung harap yung mga santos, like for example, si Cecilia.
Magagarang.
Favorite color?
Pink. Blue.
Favorite app sa game?
Sa game. Minecraft.
Sige, ayan na ang clue na ha. Diyan sa Luzon ha, Luzon nanda. The dear please answer. Where is Sierra Madre located in the Philippines?
Mindanao.
No.
Luzon.
Very good. Okay. What is, diyan na, yeah, let's start the letter H. What is the international name of Super Typhoon Yolanda? Kay mapay to 16. International name, Haiyan or Falya?
Haiyan.
Very good. What is the anniversary of Super Typhoon Yolanda? Sa November. Ano ra date na raa?
November 5.
No, November 8, 2013 or June 14, November
November.
Okay, November 8. Okay, correct. Okay, next. Who wrote the No Limit Tangi and El Filibusterismo? Correct. Correct. Who is the first president of the Philippines? Emilio Aguinaldo. No.
Aguinaldo.
Aguinaldo.
Very good. Ano ibig sabihin ang tanging yaman? Sana ang meaning na yaman. Ano ra answer is kayamanan or believe yourself?
Kayamanan.
Correct. Okay. Okay. Hold me close. Let your surround me, bring me near, draw me to your side. What is the message of power of your love? Sa Christian song, strength through divine love. Diyan ng clue na or ano ang believe your sacrifice. No, strength through divine love. Okay lang na. Kaya ano naman na. Kaya according to the Bible, the impossible becomes possible when God is in it. What is the Bible verse? Sa letter L ng ano ha? Luke chapter 18 verse 27 or Genesis 1 verse 1.
Genesis.
18 verse 27, correct. What was the crown made of that was placed on Jesus at his crucifixion? Kita mong may suyak ra? Amuron da, ano sa English ra? Thorns or flowers?
Thorns.
Correct. Okay. Where was Andres Bonifacio born? Diyan sa Luzon na Tondo, Manila or Antique? Okay. 36 to 40, tanang ka mo good conversation or good happiness?
Good happiness.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime.
Tanan ka mo, complete the statement. I feel happy when, kung halimbawa. Anong akal Wow, very good. Okay, Ran.
Okay na.
Okay, Ran. Patsaran na kay Ran. Patay Ran.